This is Ovi the teacher, and I'm going to take you through the first example of a logic gate. I told you, as I promised, I'll give you each and every logic gate. So for now, we are going to look at a NOT gate. And what's a NOT gate? A NOT gate is an inverter. For it, what it does, it reverses the input signal. If you switch on, the NOT gate goes off. If you switch off, the NOT gate goes on. Now, physics is an interesting subject. I'm going to illustrate this, and digital electronics is a very simple topic in physics. So we are going to look at this. If you look here, I have a circuit that is going to illustrate what I've said. This is the circuit, and I've come up with that circuit practically. It is here. I have a switch, which switch is here. I have a bulb, which bulb is here. And I have a resistor with a dry cell. So I have everything. So I'm going to explain how this NOT gate works. For a NOT gate, when you switch on, the NOT gate goes off. If you switch off, the NOT gate goes on. Just imagine you go home and you want to switch on electricity. When you switch on electricity, the bulb goes off. When you switch off, the bulb goes on. That's how a NOT gate works. Let me illustrate this, and let me complete my circuit. And when you look at the circuit, I've switched on. And when we switch on, and on in digital electronics, on, when it is on, it is a 1. So when we switch on, what happens to the bulb? The output is off. And when I switch off, the input is off. When it is off, the bulb goes on. That's how a logic gate, which is a NOT gate, works. This is its symbol. The input is A. This is our input A. When the input A is off, what is the output? The output is on. This is input A is off. The output is on. Now, what if I switch on? When I switch on, what happens to the bulb? The bulb goes off. It is a 0. A 1 represents on. What happens to the bulb? The bulb goes off. When you switch off, the bulb goes on. That's how a NOT gate works. This is its symbol. It's an inverter. Input, then the output. Put here, if it is on, this is off. If it is off, this is on. That's how it works. And its Boolean expression is given by y is equal to the complement, y is equal to the complement of A, the opposite of A. If this is 0, it becomes a 1. If the input is 0, the output is a 1. If the output is a 1, if the input is 0, the output is a 1. If the input is a 1, the output is 0. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Learn with Ovi the teacher. In today's episode, we are going to have a worked example on logic gates. As you can see our worked example or our problem up there that we are going to be solving. And the question says, an Indian investor sells expensive watches in Kampala. He, however, faces a problem that sometimes customers lift off watches from their shelves and steal them. He has been advised to place each watch on an electronic button switch, which should ever be on, due to the weight of the watch that will be pressing it down. He wants the circuit to operate such that when the watch is lifted off from the shelf, an alarm is activated. However, the Indian investor does not know what to do in regards of designing the circuit and has approached you for help. Task. As a learner of physics, help the investor design the circuit, include a truth table for your diagram. As you can look at this question, there is a problem. And the problem is that this Indian investor faces, that customers sometimes lift off the watches from their shelves and steal them. So there is somebody who has advised him to place each watch on an electron button switch. So when he presses the watch on the electron button switch, the button switch will be on. When it is on, it will also have a circuit. He wants the circuit to operate such that when the watch is lifted, so when the watch is lifted off the button switch, the alarm goes on. So that is the circuit we have to help this man to design. So what do we need? The first thing we need an electron button switch. So what do we need? Electron button switch. And what will it be? This is the one to be on when it is pressed by the watch. So it is the one which is going to be on when it is pressed by the watch. And what else do we need? It is the one to be on when it is pressed by the watch, or to be off when the watch is lifted. What else do we need? We need alarm. We need that alarm. What is it? To produce sound. To produce sound when the watch is lifted. When the watch is lifted. So that the alarm is going to produce sound when the watch is lifted. We also need something. What do we need? We need another thing, which is NOT gate. We need a NOT gate. For it, what is it going to do? To manage the input signals. For that NOT gate, because that gate, we are looking at a gate, when you press, when it is on, when the switch is on, the alarm does not go on. The alarm is off. But when the switch is off, the alarm is on. That gate which does the negative, which does the opposite, is called the NOT gate. It's an inverter. So it's an inverter. It does the opposite. So a NOT gate to do what? To manage input signal of the electronic button switch. So we can call our electronic button switch, we can give it S. So let our electronic button switch be S, and our alarm can be A. So what are we going to do? What to do? Connect the electronic button switch S to the input of the NOT gate, and the alarm to the output of NOT gate, like here. So if I have my NOT gate, this is our circuit that we shall be having. This is my NOT gate. The input, we can connect our switch S, and to the output, we put the alarm. So this is our NOT gate. You can see that is the symbol. So we are going to look at come up with a truth table for this. So what really happens? So we have our switch S. What will happen? This switch will be on. The electronic button switch S, when the watch is present, when the watch is present and it is pressing it down, or is pressing, what happens to the button switch? The button switch will be on and it will be a 1. Because when the watch is there, it will be pressing it down, it will be on. What happens when the watch is lifted? When the watch is lifted, this button switch S, our button switch, I denoted it S, it will be off. And off is denoted by a 0. So we can also talk about the alarm. When the alarm is activated or producing sound, when the alarm is activated, it will be a 1. When the alarm is not activated, it will be, when the alarm is activated or on, it will be a 1. When the alarm is not activated, it will be a 0 or off. Looked at that, we looked at those binary digits and their meanings in the first videos. You can check out for that video. So this is our truth table. We have the switch S and we have the alarm, which we denoted by A. So our switch, electronic switch, I can even write it here, electronic button switch S. So what really happens? We want to look at this. When the watch is present, or when the watch is on the switch and it is pressing it, meaning that the switch is on, so we can denote that it is a 1. That 1 means the watch is on and the watch is pressing the electronic button switch, so the button switch is on. What happens to the bulb? In the scenario they said, whenever the switch is on, the alarm is off. So the alarm will be a 0. It does not produce sound. Because we said when the alarm is activated or on, we shall denote it with a 1. And when the alarm is not activated, it's a 0. So when the watch is on, the switch is pressed, it is being pressed down, and the watch is present, meaning that the switch is on. Because the watch is it is like pressing the switch, it's on. Now, what if the watch is lifted and that is a 0? When the watch is lifted, the switch goes off. What really happens to the alarm? The alarm is activated and it's a 1. Why? It is simply because the gate we are having is a NOT gate. When I have a 1 here, the output will be a 0. When I have a 0 here, when I have the input as 0, the output will be a 1. That's a NOT gate. So whenever the switch is on, that implies that the watch is on the switch. It implies that the alarm will be off. But whenever the switch is off by lifting the watch, the alarm will be on. Thank you very much. Till we meet again in another episode of Learn with Ovi the Teacher.